In the crypto market, the biggest thing that is going to work in your favor is going to be conviction. When I first got into Bitcoin back in 2012, I tried telling all of my friends and family about it. All of my work buddies in the Air Force, I tried to explain to them what Bitcoin was, why I thought it was the future of finance, and why I believed that it could save and protect us from big bankers. And I was met with deaf ears because people thought I was crazy. They thought I was nuts. And back in 2017, I made the prediction that Bitcoin would eventually hit $100,000. Now, granted, I thought that it would do that in 2018, and I was mistaken. We've learned a lot since then as far as these market cycles go, and every 4 years we see the boom and the bust. And I don't think that that's going to change anytime soon, but we've learned so much. And the thing that I have taken away from all of this, and the thing is I didn't capitalize on all of these opportunities. There were times when I thought maybe these people that are telling me that I'm wrong are right. And I shouldn't have. I should have listened to my gut. I should have listened to my conviction because I was right. And Bitcoin is going to hit 100 grand, and it's going to go much higher eventually because it is sound money. It is the way of the future. But beyond that, I want people to recognize that their conviction means something. If you have enough conviction to invest in something, it means that that something is probably worth something to somebody else as well. The thing about Bitcoin is that a lot of people recognized early on the value of it, but they had so many other people telling them that it wasn't worth anything, that it was vapor, that it was just a digital one and zero. But the thing about markets that you have to realize is that there is always going to be a market for something. And Bitcoin has proven itself in the markets. It's proven that it's worth something to a lot of people. And that conviction has paid off for a lot of people. There are newly minted billionaires in the world because of Bitcoin. There are a lot of newly minted millionaires as well because of Bitcoin. I remember back in 2017, 2016 actually, it was 2016, I was in Greece on a deployment, and I sent out an email to a bunch of my Air Force buddies that Ethereum was this new up and coming thing. And I think at the time, Ethereum was only worth like $2 a coin. And I tried to get everybody on board with it. I was like, guys, this is the internet of the future. Applications are going to be built on top of this blockchain, and it's going to be amazing. And I remember what I told them. I said, guys, even if you put $100 in this, it might be worth something in the future. And you absolutely are not going to miss that $100. So why not put something in? And I had that conviction then. And I still have that conviction to this day about Ethereum. I think that it has a very bright future. But beyond that, there's a new cryptocurrency that I think has so much potential. It's building a cult following behind it, and that cryptocurrency is Avalanche. I think that the Avalanche blockchain is doing everything right. They're building the gaming industry around it. They're building uh, their AVAX 9000 program so that anybody can launch a layer one on top of Avalanche, I think is brilliant. So you're going to have parallel chains. Instead of stacking everything on top of one chain, you're going to have a multitude of chains that can do the work even faster. And so I really love what the Avalanche Foundation is doing. I think that they have a lot of great things going for them. And the price of AVAX is still so much lower than what we saw in just 2021. So even if it just reaches its previous all time high, which I think it will go much higher than, we're looking at a 3 to 4x. So I don't know. To me, it's a no brainer. And this is what my conviction is telling me now. But I say all this to tell you that you should be looking for these same exact things. I'm not saying to invest in Avalanche because that's what I'm doing. I'm saying go out there, find something that speaks to you and your conviction, and invest in that thing. And don't let anybody tell you, no, that's dumb. If your gut is telling you that other people are going to buy this, that other people are going to have conviction in this, then you're probably on to something. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to work 100% of the time because that's not how investments work. But what I am saying is that what I have taken away from my own personal experience of being in crypto for 12 years is that conviction really does pay off a lot greater than anything else. So I hope that that imparts a little bit of wisdom on you, especially if you're brand new to trading cryptocurrencies. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Capital Recon out of here.